Hello guys, Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive money on Wise. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, we have our Wise account ready. So here, you will select the currencies that are ready and available for you. So you can request right here, and you can also send. So let's say we're going to do US dollar for example. So this is how we do it. So search for US dollars. So if US dollar is going to be here, it's going to appear there. But this is how it would look like. So basically here, US dollars, just press receive right there. From there, you will have to request a payment. And then you'll tell them what your request is. So you enter the amount, so let's just say 100 US dollars, and then add a note which is optional. And then you send this to someone you want to request it to. That's how you do it basically. So here, first, if you haven't actually tried to do it yet, when you do so, when you try to receive right here, you're gonna count details. You will have to first deposit a minimum amount just to get you started. Then you'll have to verify your accounts so that you can receive money on Wise. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.